Okay guys, in previous video we talked about how to create a simple Pojo class, then we created its collection type and we simply print it out. And once you do this, you will get this output, right? It's from the Eclipse console. So it's just printing the way you have inserted. It just follows some insertion order. And that's fine. It's just a concept of collection, so nothing new about it. Now I have to write a comparator class. So there I can write some logic for sorting out these all employees object in on the basis of ID. So time for that, let's get a new Java class. I'll call this uh, employee ID comparator. Okay, just a name, and this class will say I implements comparator. Yeah, this one you have to pick and give the type here. So I'm going to compare employee class object. It's done. Now I need to override its method, compare method. So we are giving two things here, like employee 1 and employee 2. So E1 and E2. Okay, that's done. Now I need to give some implementation. So it goes like if E1 dot okay, I don't have getters for that, so I need to do that. I need to generate getter setter for this implementation. So let's have those. So expand get, no, uncheck this and generate. So I'm just getting fields for getting like getters for all the fields. So get ID, if it is greater than e2 dot get ID, so return 1. Else if it's not the case, so we will do what? We will do the reverse. We will return like reverse of this whole thing. It returns return -1. Okay, and if it's not the case, so simply return 0. So that's how it works. And once we have this implementation ready for comparator, we can create, or actually we can call one method, sort method, which takes its output. How? Let's go back to tester class. Once we have this employee thing printed like normal way, I can say sysout and I'll say sorted employee. Okay, lots of typos. Sorted employees. So how to do that? Double quotes. So call this collections class, the utility class collections dot sort, and pass the object. First of all, you have to pass the list that I want this list to be sorted, and the logic should be new employee ID comparator. Done. And try this reference again. Yep, no need to store it somewhere. Just call the sort method and return back it. So let's see the output now. Run as application, and now have a look. Our employee object is sorted. It's now 1, 2, 6, 9 and 10. Yeah, that's how we achieve sorting. Again, here I'm not going to explain what happened and how to do sorting here. It's not a concept. We are learning here how to write lambda expression. So if you are here in lambda expression, that means you know how collection works. Still you are struggling with this whole thing, please let me know, write in comment section. I will create separate videos for collections topic. Okay, so next video we will see how to write its lambda expression. Right, we have created extra class. Why? We can reduce this code in one line by using lambda expressions. So stay tuned, we will see in next video. Bye bye.